Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use mint powder. To begin, simply open your container of mint powder. A small amount goes a long way, so start with just a pinch. You can easily add it to many everyday items for a burst of fresh flavor. It's a simple way to elevate your culinary creations and beverages with minimal effort and maximum impact. Mint powder is fantastic in the kitchen. Try adding about a half teaspoon to your morning smoothie for a vibrant kick. For a subtle zest, sprinkle 1/4 teaspoon over fresh salads or a bowl of yogurt. You can also blend it with other spices to create unique rubs for chicken, fish, or roasted vegetables, enhancing their natural flavors. Elevate your beverages with ease. Stir 1 teaspoon of mint powder into your favorite hot or iced tea for an instant refresh. For a simple, cooling drink, blend it with water, a squeeze of lemon, and a touch of sweetener. A small pinch also makes an excellent garnish for cocktails, adding both aroma and a sophisticated touch. Beyond the kitchen, mint powder offers surprising uses. Consider incorporating it into homemade beauty products like face masks for a cooling sensation. You can also place small amounts in sachets to create natural air fresheners for your home or car. For a truly relaxing moment, add a teaspoon to your bathwater for a soothing, aromatic soak.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.